Hi guys, this is Sanjana and I'm from Hyderabad, and today we are going to talk about what all promises does a university or a college make to a student just before the student joins into the institution. So technically there are a hell lot of promises that are given in the form of a portfolio, or you can call it as a brochure or a pamphlet, which is being given to every student who joins into the college and just gets impressed after looking at that particular brochure. But exactly what happens in the reality is completely different. What exactly happens is, point number one, attendance. Everyone tells 75 plus attendance is compulsory, 85% plus attendance is compulsory, but in the end, people who don't even attend 10% classes also would be found writing exams in the examination halls. And when you find out the actual reason, you get to know either they have some connections with the management, or point number two, they pay certain fines and get into the college. Then what about all other students who have been literally attending the classes regularly just with the fear that they won't be able to give the exams and they wouldn't be allowed even to sit in the classroom? This is one of the main points which I have literally faced when there was a minimal difference in my attendance percentage. Next thing, they tell it's a Wi-Fi enabled campus. Trust me, no. Your phone gets connected to the Wi-Fi, your laptop gets connected to the Wi-Fi, yes. It does get connected, but yes, it doesn't work. Just for the sake of name, they just tell that this is a Wi-Fi enabled campus. Point number three, they tell that whatever exams that we write, whatever tests that we give, whatever assignments that we submit are scrutinized by top tier professional intellectuals. But trust me, we have seen our answer sheets, our assignment papers in the hands of not even a graduate person who just gives them a promise of getting paid of 10 rupees per sheet. So this problem is mainly to be acknowledged. And yes, one more problem, a huge lushful campus. Yes, उसी बिल्डिंग के आगे पीछे घुमाते रहेंगे, लेकिन बिल्डिंग उतना ज्यादा बड़ा होगा ही नहीं. Trust me. I can't name the university, but this university is very famous in Bangalore. Recently, a Mumbai-based university has taken over this particular college/university. And yeah, one more thing, so-called placements. No one actually knows what exactly is the amped, proper, correct percentage of placement until and unless the college decides it. Irrespective whether 2 students get placed, 3 students get placed, or maybe 90% students get placed, always the college or the university states 100% placement guarantee. This is the statement which drags each and every graduate aspirant to join into their college. But वही ब्रोचर में उसी इंसान का फोटो 7 साल से चला रहे होंगे. So I really hope every student does their homework very, very neatly. Talk to the students who are actually in present studying in that university. So yeah, based on my personal experiences and some of the experience which I have heard, this is something that our universities/colleges promises but don't really deliver it to us. That's it from my side. Thank you.